All right, here we go with box number 3. Keeping dogs out of the frame there. Stay out of the frame, dogs. I'm warning you, dogs. Stay out of the frame. There we go. And here we go with the cards. Mash? Come on now.
Move, funny.
You see the packs in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wait,
my pack ripping skills are getting worse as the dog tries to get into the frame here. Alright, so we've got Jason Hayward on the back there. Rasmus, Wells, Bonderman Mini, Escobar, and Keel, Saunders, Cueto. That's a pretty sweet hairdo. And the Jason Hayward. Oops. The Bonderman popped out. These packs get harder to rip as you sort of get through. I'll just come back to that one. Alright. Gehrig for the Yankees, Rios, Berra for the Yankees, another President, Castro Gold, Jones, Wainwright, Ugla, Ludwig. Nope. Let's keep everything in the frame here. Soto, Colin, Davis, Fowler, Porcello, Lincecum, Dempster, Hernandez, Burley. Heron, now with the Angels, Felice, Kinsler, Ethier, Piedmont back, Craig. Ooh, that Craig got busted up. Zimmerman, Swisher, Burnett, Leak.
I really believe the reliability that the girls provide. I am a bookkeeper and also the prep chef. So I need to see driving out for the initial down payment. I'm 6 months out.
Napoli, Beckett, Braun, Mish, Rollins, Renteria, Masterson, Fowler, A-Rod. No hits in this box yet. No hits at all in this box yet. So that's a Tommy Hanson. That's the other big Braves one. And there's a Carl Crawford. That's pretty nice to see. More randomness. Sabathia, Abreu, Kuroda, Snyder, Lowe, Martinez for Boston. Ordonez, Beltran, Shin-Soo Choo. There's Verlander. Here's a Mordecai Brown gold. That's pretty sweet. Roberts, Johnson, Seaver, Howard. This one feels a little thick. We'll see if it's got the first hit of the box. It appears that is the case. We've got Furcal. We've got a Nolan Ryan. We've got a Rodriguez. We've got Jared Weaver mini. That is an Alex Gordon bat card for the Royals there. That's pretty sweet. Manny Parra, Cabrera, Billingsley, Matsui. So far we've done pretty well on the hits, I think. Davis, Maurer, Sizemore mini, Happ, Braun, Kawakami, McLeod, Sizemore, Tulowitzki. Last pack from this column that was accusing a rip earlier. Damnation, this thing will not open. There we go. Alright, so. So that's Bourbon, Lopez, Hill, Jimenez, Piedmont Mini, Hunter, Verlander, Ross, Felice, Bay. It's Rasmus, Wells, Desmond, Anderson for the A's, McCann, Roberts, Johnson, Hayward again, and Sizemore. It's a couple pretty sweet Braves there we've pulled here so far. It's a pretty beautiful September Saturday afternoon here.
Dimash.
Jackson, Dunn, Sandoval, Ordonez, Pettit, Bonderman, Carmona, Mordecai Brown, Gilmish. The Twins are ruling the Texas Rangers there. That'll be a preview of the ALCS if both the Yankees and the Rays go down in defeat to these two teams. Let's see, Manzella, Harden, more randomness, something of a balloon. Dempster, Gallardo, Santana, Pujols. There's Pujols, that's pretty nice. Chance and Liriano. Tinker to Evers too. Zambrano, Beckham, Hudson, Young, Essa, Caramels, Lowe, Perkins, Montero, Ripken Jr. Very nice. Scudero for Boston. I think I've seen some of these backgrounds somewhere before. On the last year's Victorino, Stewart, Drew, McCutcheon. Whoa! That is the whitest McCutcheon I've ever seen. Daniel McCutcheon. Okay, Zobrist, Hafner, Garza, Lester. I was like, is that the McCutcheon is a white boy short print? But that is a Daniel McCutcheon. That is not Andrew McCutcheon. Looks like from what I saw earlier, it's a variation of McCutcheon anyway. Guerrero, Blanks, Carl Crawford, Caramels Mini. That's pretty awesome. Tillman, Morales, Drew, Sanchez, Hill, McCann. How are we looking on time?
7:20.
All right. 4 more packs here. We still haven't gotten our second hit of the box. So, Gomez, Nolasco, Jackie Robinson. That's pretty sweet. Random Mini, Sizemore, Gordon, Sanchez, Cabrera, Cahill. This one also feels a little thick, so I think this is another hit. Justin Morneau hasn't seen action in a couple months there. Nope, no hit. Butler, Reyes, Anderson, Napoli Mini, McGahee, Ichiro, Holland, Stubbs, Morneau. Morneau's pretty sweet. Very American Gothic or some such.
For a Canadian.
Yeah, for a Canadian. There we go, right? Kevin Slowey on the back. Graduated from Winthrop College, where my mom went. Volquez, Posey, another Joan of Arc Mini. Keeler for New York. Worth, Robinson, Volstad, Lee, Slowey. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but we've only gotten the one. Yeah. Uh-oh. All right.
I thought so.
Let's see what we got here. Okay. Oh. Well, it looks like another printing plate. Weaver, bench. Adrian Gonzalez printing plate. Damn, that is the... It doesn't say which... If it's the yellow, I guess it's just the black, but that's pretty sweet. Gutierrez, Cabrera, Posada, Lind, Lackey, Iannetta. I'm going to have to look that up and see exactly what the deal with that is. If we got gypped a hit or if the printing plates count and we just got lucky with 3 in the last box. So I'll check that out. Cool. That's box number 3. Coming back with box number 4 and box number 5.